Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the best 3D printers for metal. This 3D printer is used in any condition and on any object. It can even be used to 3D print metal parts. The 3D printer is capable of printing with metal. You can create rolls and tools faster than ever. With so many options on the market, knowing which 3D printer is best for your needs cannot be easy. To help you, we've compiled a list of the top 3D printers for metal. We've carefully researched each one so you can make an advised finding when choosing the right printer for you. Especially users new to 3D printing and looking for a reliable metal printer. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each printer in the description box so you can buy them without the hassle. The best thing is that these given links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Solvo 3D SV04 IDEX 3D printer. The Solvo SV04 3D printer is ideal for those looking to print with metal materials. With independent dual direct drive metal extruders, this printer allows simultaneous printing of 2 colors, materials, and models. It supports many materials, including PLA, ABS, PETG, TPU, PC, PA, wood, ASA, and PVA. One of the standout features of the SV04 is its automatic leveling sensor, which ensures optimal bed adhesion and print quality. The flexible magnetic building plate allows for the easy removal of prints without needing tools. The upgraded 4.3-inch LCD touchscreen is intuitive and user-friendly, making navigating the different printing modes easy. The SV04 has a 500W branded power supply that ensures stable and sufficient performance, fast heat hotbed and nozzle, and protects the printer from unexpected power surges. The upgraded 32-bit TMC 2209 silent board ensures a super quiet operation and more stable performance. The Solvo SV04 3D printer is an excellent choice for metal materials. Its advanced features and ease of use make it an ideal option for beginners and advanced users. If you want to buy this printer, check out the link in the description box. Number 2 is Archidi Technology iMates 3D printer. The Archidi Technology iMates 3D printer is an exceptional 3D printer perfect for metal printing enthusiasts. It is designed with a high-quality industrial-grade FDM structure. It adheres to high-standard production and strict process requirements, ensuring that it is safe to use and can deliver superior print quality. With a print size of 260 by 200 by 200 millimeters, it can handle most daily printing needs, while its closed printing feature is perfect for ABS and other filament printing that requires a closed environment. iMates 3D printer also comes with a unique extruder equipped with one set of 0.4 mm extruders and one set of 0.2 mm hot end, making it more accurate and stable when printing large models. Furthermore, the iMates 3D printer is easy to use thanks to its excellent user experience and large UI interface. It comes with self-developed 3D slicing software that offers 2 modes to choose from, normal mode and expert mode, depending on your experience level. The normal mode is perfect for novices, while the expert mode is ideal for experienced users who want to modify parameters and personalize printing models. If you want to purchase the printer, check out the link in the description box below. Number 3 is Snapmaker 3D printer. The Snapmaker A350T is a top-of-the-line 3D printer that offers exceptional performance in metal printing. Boasting a modular design, 3-in-1 innovation, and rock-solid construction, this printer is a reliable choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. With a build volume of 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters, the A350T offers a significant advantage over other printers, allowing for the production of large-scale prototypes without the need for file splitting. Its CAN-bus technology enables efficient and stable data transmission, making assembly, disassembly, and component changes a breeze. The all-metal body and high-precision repeatability of 0.005 mm enable the production of high-resolution prints, engravings, cuts, and carvings. The Snapmaker Lubon software, with its 5-inch touchscreen and intuitive user interface, supports power loss recovery, fully open-source code, customized profiles, and multi-language options. It is also compatible with Windows, Mac OS, and Linux systems and offers flexible job starting options via Wi-Fi, USB flash drive, or USB cable. The Snapmaker A350T is a professional-grade 3D printer that delivers exceptional results in metal printing. Its rock-solid machine construction, modular design, and customizable software interface make it a top pick for anyone looking for a reliable, high-performance 3D printer for metal. If you want this printer, check out the link in the description box to get it. Number 4 is official Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printer. The official Creality Ender 3 V2 Neo 3D printer stands is a professional-grade printer that offers users an efficient and reliable 3D printing experience. The pre-installed assembly requires only 3 steps, making it an ideal choice for beginners and experienced users. The CR Touch Auto Bed Leveling technology is a standout feature, allowing for 16-point automatic leveling to compensate for height differences on the hotbed, ensuring precise printing every time. Additionally, the PC Spring Steel magnetic build plate offers excellent adhesion for filament and allows for easy removal of finished models. The 4.3-inch UI user interface is another notable feature, featuring a model preview function that makes it easy to observe printing progress and shape. The silent motherboard and full metal extruder provide a quiet and efficient printing experience, with greater extrusion force and durability, reducing the risk of nozzle blockage. These features make the Ender 3 V2 Neo one of the most reliable and efficient 3D printers for metal printing available. Its unique features and intuitive design make it an ideal choice for individuals seeking to engage in metal printing. Its advanced technology ensures precise and accurate prints every time. If you are interested in the printer, then check out the link in the description box below. Number 5 is Solvo SV06 3D printer. The Solvo SV06 3D printer is a high-performance machine that combines a classic i3 structure with a new design, making it an excellent choice for household and industrial use. Its modular design allows for easy assembly in just 5 steps. At the same time, its self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with a dual planetary gear set ensures accurate extrusion and a higher drive ratio. The SV06 all-metal hot-end setup can print up to 300 degrees Celsius, eliminating the need for PTFE replacement or firmware flashing. Additionally, the 25-point auto-leveling inductive sensor detects and compensates for unevenness on the heated bed, resulting in a perfectly leveled bed and a fantastic first layer. The printer's flexible PEI-coated build plate with mesh surface design ensures easy print removal without needing tools. The Solvo SV06 3D printer also has a self-developed 32-bit silent board with TMC2209 drivers, guaranteeing stable and quiet operation. With a print size of 220,220,250 millimeters, this machine is perfect for daily and household use, and its exceptional features and performance make it one of the best 3D printers for printing metal. So if you want this printer right now, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printers for metal. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.